Manipuri Youth Front of Assam, in short MYFA, has called on Union Home Minister Amit Shah to take immediate and strict action regarding the disappearance of Laishram Kamalbabu, a resident of Laimakong who went missing from the Laimakong army camp. Speaking to media, MYFA President Thangjam Brojan suspected a foul play as Laishram Kamalbabu went missing from 57 Mountain Division at Laimakong, which is a high security zone area. He highlighted that MYFA sent a letter to the Union Home Minister through Kasar DC. MYFA urged Amit Shah to issue an order to concerned authorities for investigation regarding the case and asked for an inquiry on 57 Mountain Division. MYFA also sent a copy of the letter to Chief Minister of Assam, Union Defence Minister and Chairperson of Assam Human Rights Commission.
Kogi Kasar gi Gosaibu have Kungangduda, gi Sakiba, Kogi Manipura, Laimakong, Army Game da, contractor ki Tabak Sunan Ladiba, Kogi, Laishram Kamalbabu, Harbinumit Tang, Kunmanga Sida, Tabak Shubam, the Army Game, the Sangraga, Masaki Singasat or Sangraga, Mapam Kangana Mangre, Sigumba, Singai O Mankibasi, a Koi, Masiki the Makta, Asam Lady Manipuri, Youth Front of Asamna, Asam Gissibin Defense Minister, Loinana, Home Minister, the Singba, Koi, India Gomengi Lingak, Koi, CDC, Kutang, they commemorate Bijare, Madam D. Hariba Army Game the Sangraga, Misaka Tiu Pang the Babashi, Yamnatingai Weba Adumba, Todo Amani and Loje, Madamasina, Yarimakai Manifu, Gomenasu, Masi, a young Matam that take the guidance of you had in a koi, memorandum Samito Yabani.